Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed a Google Map into Notion. Let's get started. First, go to web and search for notion.com. Once you're here, click on Login, then enter your info. After logging in, you will be directed to Notion dashboard. Once you're here, you will see in the left side all of your pages. Now click on the page that you want. Now, once you're here, click on the plus icon to add new element. Type in Google Map, click Enter, click the Google Map, then now go to your Google Map, search for the place that you want to embed on your Notion, copy the URL, go back to Notion. Now, paste the URL on the space provided, then click on Embed Map. Wait for it to load, and there you have it. And that's how you embed a Google Map into Notion. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.